All right, imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you check your phone, and overnight you earned $3 from one member. I want you to take that times 1,000 members. Now you just earned $3,000 in a single day. That's $90,000 a month. That's over $1 million a year, and that's recurring as a membership, all from a digital system that actually runs itself. You built with YouTube, AI, and Skool. That's how this all happens. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how that freedom machine actually works. We're going to break it all down here on the computer, and I want you to see how you can actually build one of these things for yourself. So what's this freedom math? What does this look like? So let's start off with that so we can get these numbers first figured out with this model. 1,000 members paying you $3 a day. That's $1,095,000 a year recurring. If you can keep those 1,000 members paying you $3 a day. I want you to just keep that in your head. 1,000 true fans that are paying you, $90, $100 a month. It's just simple. It's easy to understand math, and you can actually do that. And these aren't fantasy numbers. Matter of fact, these are on the low end of what people are actually doing out there every single day using this combination of Skool, AI, and YouTube, which is what we're going to be talking about inside this model. That's real recurring income. That's predictable. That's scalable. That's compounding. And what's beautiful is, as I said, you don't need some massive audience to do this or to build this. You just need 1,000 true fans that are paying you monthly for access, for results, to belong to something, to get that transformation. That's what you need. What if that took you 2 years to build? What if it took you 5 years to build? What are you doing right now that in 5 years, you'll be making over $1 million a year recurring? For some people, they might not see that in 20 years. But you can start building that now. You can start creating that now. I mean, if you were guaranteed, guaranteed that if you just kept working at this thing, that in 10 years, you'd be making $1 million a year recurring. How many people would do that? Everyone. But you can actually do that, and you can do it a lot sooner than that. And I don't know if you've ever heard the modern theory, like 1,000 true fans, but this truly is that. Except we have tools like AI and automation, and we have organic YouTube that can help us without having to run ads or do anything like that. All you have to do is focus on solving a problem for a small group of people. Your entire life can change financially. Any problems that you would have that money can solve can be solved. The freedom that we're talking about here, there's 3 gears to this thing. You can think about it like a triangle. This is the freedom machine that I've been talking about. And if you've been watching any of the videos on my channel, I keep talking about these things. I don't think you want me to make this complicated, and I'm glad it's not complicated. There's just a lot of people not doing it. So let's look at this. So gear 1 is YouTube. This is the attention engine. You publish something, and then it keeps compounding for you over and over and over forever until you die or it gets taken down. I don't know. I mean, it just keeps building for you out there. You create a video, just like this video you're watching right now. It's not live, is it? But it's out there working for me. People watch it and they keep watching more of it. It brings you new members every single week. Even while you're sleeping, this happens, right? This is how much more amazing can it get? Let's look at gear number 2. So this is the second point on the triangle. This is AI. This is the leverage engine. AI is going to automate 80% of your workflow, and it's going to create, content way better than you could. It's going to make you way more powerful when it comes to creating stuff. It'll be more organized. People will learn more from it. Your ideas, your editing, your repurposing, your delivery, all of that is going to be so much better now. And this all can happen without any team. Just by yourself, you can do this without any kind of payroll and doing any weird stuff. You and AI working together to create a solution for people. And gear number 3 is Skool. This is your recurring engine. So attention engine, leverage engine. Now you got your recurring engine. This is where all the attention and leverage go to convert. And that turns into your community that people come in to get access, results, transformation. They want to learn from you. They need your help. They're going to access your system, your classroom. They're going to get on a weekly call with you. And this is what actually makes all of these 3 things convert into, the actual money. So each gear feeds the next gear, and each gear just starts to compound and it starts to stack. And together they create the compounding momentum that gives you time and money. So let's look at a simple example here. Let's imagine you teach online fitness, okay? You're going to help people get into shape and feel better and do right with their body. So you post one YouTube video per week. It's a good video. You used AI to create leverage and, make the video look good and make sense and really come across good. And then that video is going to attract people who actually want results, who like you. They feel you and they connect with you and they're like, this person can actually help me. And then let's say that you invite them to your Skool community. In each of those YouTube videos, you just a simple line, hey, if you want to go deeper, you want me to help you more, you can join my Skool community down in the description. You can pin the comment to your YouTube video. You can show it on the screen. And let's say that you charge $59 for your community. And let's say inside your community, they're going to get, they get access to your workouts. They're going to get accountability. They're going to get to talk to you on a weekly call. You're maybe going to give them some AI tools to help them track their progress. Maybe you go to lovable.dev and you create a small little, app real easy, and they can use that. They get that inside when they become a member. At 100 members, that's $5,900 per month. Most trainers don't make that much. Okay. And you're doing that without having to do a bunch of training every single day, one-to-one with a bunch of clients. It's group, right? It's community. 500 members, that's $29,500 per month. Now you've really separated yourself from most people. At 1,000 members, that's $59,000 per month. As at the time of me creating this video, to be considered 1% ultra wealthy in the United States, you have to make about $68,000 per month for 12 months straight. If you have a community that's $59 a month and you get 1,000 people in it that want to learn from you about fitness and getting in shape because they like you, they like the community, AI can't copy that community and they got friends in there. 1,000 members is $59,000 a month. Just think about how does that change your current life? Imagine that. You did one live call a week, you did one video a week, and you took care of the people in the community. You interacted with them, through, there's an app you can use on the phone, you can do it on your computer, and you can live anywhere. Think about that. Okay? That's insane. And that's recurring income that keeps compounding and keeps working for you to maybe bring in some other people you can help because you got this extra money now. You can make a better product. You can make better content. Maybe you can, even do something in real life with them. This just keeps working for you over and over and over. And you get to do what you actually love, which is fitness. And you'd be doing that anyway, but at least this way you get paid for it, right? So you're actually going to escape that time for money trap because you'll have to put in some time up front and there's some scattered time throughout the week, but the main chunk of what's happening, you already made that. You put that program in there. You'll help refine it and optimize it, but without ads, without funnels, without burning out, without a huge team, you can put yourself in the top 1% of income earners, and it's recurring, all because you're helping people, in this example, get into shape and live a better life. Here's the craziest part of this whole thing. People actually want this type of life, right? They want to be able to work from their phone or their laptop. They want to be able to do what they love and help people. And most people will hear what I'm talking about, and most people will see this right in front of their eyes, and they still won't act. They'll overthink it. They'll tell themselves, I'm not ready. I don't deserve this. Or I got to wait for the perfect time when all of this stuff lines up. But leverage doesn't wait. It's not ever going to be the perfect time. You're never going to feel like you're ready or that you know it all yet. That's okay. The sooner you start, the faster it can start compounding. The sooner you start, the faster you can figure this out. The sooner you start, the faster you get through the little mistakes. And nothing is detrimental here. We're talking about very inexpensive startup. We're talking about very low cost to maintain. Most people spend more money on Starbucks than what a business like this actually takes to operate each month. It's insane. And you can really do this. All you have to do is focus on helping a small group of people solve a problem, or a small group of people find a community that resonates with them, that they can be a part of. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be a curator and a presenter. And you don't even have to be that good of a presenter because they just want the answer. They want the result. They want that transformation. You can just take what you know now on a particular topic. You can package it up inside a Skool, and then you can let that system work for you. And you'll wake up happier. You'll enjoy what you're doing. You'll see it slowly, and maybe some cases quickly, start taking over your current way of making income. And for most people, their current way of making income, they're clocking in somewhere. They're on some kind of like golden handcuff salary. They're doing stuff that they don't even want to do. And here's this opportunity for you that people have already proven to work. I mean, I've been doing this for, well, shoot, since 2007, I figured this out. And there's been a lot of bumps in the road. I've messed up tons of times. I've blown it all to pieces and rebuilt it up again, but I was able to do that. And I'm nobody special. Trust me. I'm just a guy out here that honestly just didn't want to work for somebody. And the things that I wanted were pretty expensive. And I liked helping people. And the only way I could really do that was building my own business. And I built it online because all of the leverage. I wanted to be able to work from anywhere. I wanted to be able to, I'm in Mexico right now in Cozumel, and I'm doing this for you. Like, this is how I'm literally doing this right now. I just got my computer here on a little stand. It works though, right? You're getting the information, you're learning it. That's the thing I want you to understand. This is a real thing for you. This can really actually work, and it's mind-blowingly simple now. It's just, you just have to act and be consistent and care. And the wild thing is inside of MAKEONCE, which is my company that shows people how to do this, we give you the full Freedom Machine blueprint. We just lay it out there for you. The step-by-step Skool setup, AI workflows that take 80% of the process and do it for you. It takes all that heavy lifting. We give you the exact way to build YouTube scripts and the systems that drive new members into your Skool. We get on weekly calls. You can talk to me weekly. I get on a 1-hour call each week, and sometimes I get on more. And you get real support. You can literally talk to me while you're building this thing, and I can help you and guide you. And we've built the system. We've actually built some plug and play things where you just talk to it and it talks back to you, and it helps you build this whole thing out. And the crazy thing is I want to get you to jump. I want to get you to take action. So I raised the price on this thing, $50 a month, every 100 members. And we're about to hit the next little mark here. And you can get in now for literally the price of like a dinner date, half the price of most dinner dates, right? And you can lock that in. And when the price goes up, it doesn't go up for you. And I've even got an affiliate program. So if you refer somebody, you get 40% monthly commission off of that person. And shoot, few members, and your membership is free. I'm just trying to tell you, and you can learn from the way I'm doing it too. Just look at what I'm doing. There's nothing special here. I'm not wearing a suit. There's no fat, flashy graphics and weird things happening. I'm just talking to you. We're just working together. Okay. So I just want you to understand, if you want to check that out, go down in the description. There's a link down there. You can go to www.makeonce.com and you can join the movement with us. So here's actually what happens when you commit to this path. Okay. I just want to show this to you. I want to kind of remove the anxiety around this, right? It's not that big of a deal. I've seen people that have no clue how to use even their phone figure this out. When you commit to this and you start taking action down this path of, I'm going to build a Skool community, I'm going to monetize it, you go from chaos to clarity. Your life starts to get more financially predictable in a way that doesn't require more time from you. You go from time for money to time for freedom. Truly. I mean, until you've experienced recurring income, it's really hard to really explain it. And I'm not talking about like a salary, because with the salary, you still have to check in and go here and go there. This is so simple to manage. You go from like an effort-based income to a system-based income where you build systems and those things are working for you, and the community helps the community. And just realize that the internet's actually shifting again. Okay. It's those who build the systems are going to own the next decade. Those who build and monetize a community are going to be the people that are going to be winning. You've seen the model. You've seen the math. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to do this. If you're wanting to do that, listen, just go down in the description. I got a link. You can go check it out. Okay. Maybe it's for you. Maybe it's not. Or you can go to www.makeonce.com and you can start building this freedom machine today. Because in this new economy, recurring is the freedom. AI is that leverage where it takes 80% of the workload, and community is going to be that moat that protects you, because AI can't copy community. So when you build your 1,000 true fan community, know you have something that can't be copied, no matter what you're talking about. No matter what, I hope you keep trying. I hope you keep shipping things out there and going, done over perfect. Consistency is the magic golden key that will unlock this for you. And I just hope to get to see you inside of Make Once. Hope you're having a great day. Hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in the next videos. Go down below in the comments. Shoot me a comment. Let me know what's going on. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer those for you. I'll use those to create more content for you. And as I said, you can do this. I'll see you in the next videos.